Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SHAREit app and transfer large videos, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the SHAREit app, start by opening the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device. In the search bar, type SHAREit and press enter. Look for the app with the SHAREit logo and the developer's name, SHAREit Technologies. Tap on the app to open its details page. Next, tap the Install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, locate the SHAREit icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the icon to open the app. You may need to grant the app permissions to access your files and contacts. Once you're in the app, you will see options for sending and receiving files. To transfer large videos, select the Send option. Navigate to the Files section and find the video you want to transfer. Tap on the video to select it. After selecting your video, tap on the Send button. The app will then prompt you to enable your device's Wi-Fi. Once Wi-Fi is active, SHAREit will search for nearby devices. Ask the recipient to open SHAREit on their device and select the Receive option. Once their device appears on your screen, tap on it to begin the transfer. Wait for the video to finish transferring, keeping both devices close together. Once the transfer is complete, the recipient will receive a notification. Both you and the recipient can now access the transferred video from the respective devices. That's how to download the SHAREit app and transfer large videos easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.